Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today, once again, I would like to welcome you all in English class. Today, again, we will revise I sound words and so, children, as we are studying about I sound words, I hope you are revising at home. But once again, let's revise together. Okay, so I sound words. We all have to read these words. Okay, read the words. Okay, so let's read one by one. Can you tell me what is this? Okay, so this is a kite. Repeat after me. Kite. Okay, children? Kite. K I T E. Kite. K I T E. Kite. What is this? Can you tell me? Children, what is this? Okay, very good. This is light. 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 L. Repeat after me. L. Yes. I. Yes, children. G. Very good. H. T. Light. Okay. This one is one boy. He is biting something. Okay. So B. Repeat after me, children. B I T E. Bite. B I T E. Bite. Hill. Okay, this is a hill. Okay, children. See, you can see. H I double L. Hill. Repeat after me. H I double L. Hill. Okay. So, what is this? 9. Children, 9. N I N E. 9. N I N E. 9. L I N E. Line. L I N E. Line. Once again, children. Line. Ship. Repeat after me. Ship. S H I P. Ship. Fish. Fish. F I S H. Fish. Okay, children. Zip. Z I P. Zip. Z I P. Zip. Pine. Okay, children, this is a pine tree. Pine. P I N E. Pine. Pin. P I N. Pin. P I N. Pin. Nib. N I B. Nib. N I B. Nib. Okay, so these all are I sound words. Okay, this one also, these all are also I sound words, children. I sound words. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. This is rain. Okay, rain. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Kite. pine. P-I-N-E, pine. Pine. N-I-N-E, nine. Okay, children. Now I want all of you to turn your page. Okay, page number 12. Okay, children. So open your page number 12. Okay, children. So here you have to write the rhyming words and you have to make one new word. Okay, do you remember what is the rhyming words? Anyone? Okay. Okay, I want all of you to remember. Okay, you have to remember. Can you remember? I have taught you last time. Okay, what are the rhyming words? Okay, can you remind? Okay, now I will tell you the rhyming words. What is rhyming words? Children, rhyming words are those words which have the same ending sound. Do you remember now? Rhyming words are those words which have same ending sound. Okay, the end will sound the same. Okay, so for example, okay, can you see this word read? Read. Okay, read. And now I will read for you. Write. Okay, children, do they have same ending sound? See, read, write, read, write. No, they don't have. But rhyming words are those words which have the same ending sound. For example, you can see what is this? Can you read for me? Okay, let's read together. L-I-N-E, line. L-I-N-E, line. Now, the rhyming word of line is pine. P-I-N-E. Do they sound the same? Do they have same ending sound? See, line, pine. Line, pine. Tell me, children. Of course, it has the same ending sound. Okay, children? So, the rhyming word of line, it can be so many, but we have to write only one rhyming word. Okay, so the rhyming word of line is pine. Okay, read with me, repeat after me, children. Line and pine. Line, pine. Yes, now I want all of you to write with me. Okay, children, this is line and the rhyming word of line is pine. Write P-I-N-E, pine. Now, as in question, we have to write the rhyming words and we have to make new word. We also have to make new word like this. Okay, like line, pine. What is the same word like this? Okay, children, can you tell me? It is nine. Okay, write N-I-N-E, nine. See, N-I-N-E. We made. Okay, what is this? Can you tell me? Side. Side. Repeat after me. Side. So now you have to tell me the rhyming word of side. Okay. So the rhyming word of side is ride. Okay. Do it have same ending sound? Okay. It has. Okay. It has same ending sound. See, side, ride. Side, ride. They have same ending sound, right? So let's write R. Okay, let's write big letter R-I-D-E. Ride. Side, ride. Okay, they sound same, right? Side, ride. So rhyming words are those words which have the same ending sound. So let's make new word out of this. Okay, we it's not compulsory we have to make from this. You can make any new word same like this which have the same ending sound. Okay, let's write wide. W-I-D-E. Wide. Side, right, wide. Line, pine, nine. Now next one is W-H-I-T-E. White. W-H-I-T-E. So the rhyming word of white is kite. Let's write kite. They have same ending sound, right? So kite. Let's write K-I-T-E. Kite. Now let's make new word. Bite. Let's make bite. B-I-T-E. Bite. White kite bite. White kite bite. Read with me. Repeat after me, children. White, yes, kite, bite. Okay, children. Light, L-I-G-H-T. Light, L-I-G-H-T. Light. Sight, S-I-G-H-T. Let's write sight. The rhyming word, okay? S-I-G-H-T. Okay, so once again, children, I will tell you. Rhyming words are those words which have the same ending sound. Okay, see, the ending sound is same. Light, sight, it's it, right? The ending sound, it. Light, sight. So let's make one word. M-I-G-H-T. Might. Okay, so let's read one more time. So here question number this B. Write the rhyming words and make new word. So you have to write the rhyming words from here. Okay, you have to see these words and you have to make rhyming words, and after that you have to make one new word like this. Okay, so this is also rhyming word of this, but we are making new word. Okay, so let's write. Okay, let's read. Read after me. Okay, line, L-I-N-E. Line. P-I-N-E. Pine. N-I-N-E. Nine. S-I-D-E. Side. R-I-D-E. Ride. W-I-D-E. Wide. W-I-D-E. Wide. Okay, so next one is white. White kite bite. They have same ending sound, right? So let's read white kite bite. W-H-I-T-E. White. K-I-T-E. Kite. B-I-T-E. Bite. Okay, so next one is light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. S-I-G-H-T. Sight. M-I-G-H-T. Might. Light, sight, might. Okay, children. Children, let's come to the question C. Question B, we have studied rhyming words and we made new word. But now in question C, find and write odd one out. Okay, here you have to find the odd one. Okay, different one. Okay, and you have to write that one. Okay, see, three words are there. Light, hide, side. Okay, so it's according to rhyming words. Okay, we will see the words which have same ending sound. They both are same. Okay, but different one which don't have the same ending sound like this both. For example, there are three three words, right? Light, height and side. It's light, it. The ending sound of this word is it. And this one is hide. It's d, or side. This one also d. So which one is different one? Can you tell me? Okay. Light, hide, side. They both have same ending sound. So this one is different. So you have to write odd one out. Okay. Here L-I-G-H-T. Light. Okay. Now line. Okay children, you have to listen to me carefully, very carefully. Okay children. Line, ride, pine. Line, ride, pine. This is line. The ending sound of line is n. Line. N. Okay. N. And this is ride. D. Pine. N. So this both have same ending sound. So which one is different one? The odd one, ride. Okay, it doesn't have same ending sound like line and pine. So let's write ride here. Okay, R-I-D-E. Children, are you getting me? Okay. So in this question, okay, we have to find and write the odd one out. Okay. So we have to find, we have to read first and we have to find odd one out. Okay. We have to find a different word. Okay. So we have to find the different one and we have to write in this box. Okay. See, for example, we found light, odd one, because hide, side, they both have same ending sound, but this one doesn't match with these both. So we wrote here this one. So next one also, line, ride, pine. So these both have same ending sound and ride does not match with this. Okay, you have to read and listen to me carefully and you have to read by yourself also. Ride. So we wrote word ride is different from line and pine. Likewise children, we have to find here also kite, bite, tile. Okay, kite, bite, tile. Now tell me which one is different one. Can you tell me children? Kite, bite, tile. Okay, they both have same ending sound. Kite, bite. Okay, so this one is different one. So let's write tile. T-I-L-E. Tile. Okay children, write in your book tile. They both have same ending sound. See, kite, bite, t, t, tile, it's l. So this one is different and odd one. So let's come to the next one. Might, blade, sight. Might, blade, sight. Repeat after me children. Might, blade, sight. Okay, now you can read by your own. What is this? Might, blade, sight. Now which have the same ending sound? Which words? Might and sight. So which one is odd one? Blade. It doesn't have the sound like might and sight. So let's write here. Okay, B-L-A-D-E, blade. So I hope you all have learned something today. Thank you for listening carefully. Have a good day.